Good day, it is Stephen Davis here. In this video, I'll show you how to make a buttonhole using the Elna 2006 and the attachment for the buttonholes. What you do is you set the tension on 3. You put here, it's a 4-step buttonhole. You put the stitch length on the buttonhole. You put here the stitch width on top, 5 the buttonholes. This is then the foot that you use to secure the equal length of the buttonholes. You take the foot, and the foot has 2 parts. This transparent part that comes onto the machine cells, and then this black part with the screw. Loosen the screw and then fit the button between those 2 parts. Adjust it so that it fits nicely. You do not need to worry about the size. This is the correct size. You do not need to increase it slightly, because this will then be the size of the buttonhole. If the buttonhole is too big, it simply means that the button can, it's not nice, the button can easily go through. So this is the correct size of the button. It further gives you uniform button lengths if you want to make a few buttonholes. And always remember, the first time when you put through the buttonhole will be a little bit difficult. So this is then the size that you use for the buttonhole. Tighten it. Remember, it's plastic, do not need to tighten it too much. And if you tighten it, you continue further. You put in the foot with the black side to the front. You will see there it's fitting nicely. It's up, you can lift it up. So it slides now there. And put this slider then to the back. Slide it to the back. Easy way to recognize it also is that this adjuster must be in the front, as well as these 3 pins. Selected to A1. To A1. A1 is when it's the first step of the buttonhole. You start at the end there, lift up the slider, and then put it in. Where your buttonhole must start. Start of the buttonhole must be there around. Lower it. And then see that you start on A1 here. A1 is down. Okay. You see it's at the end there. Change to A2 here. But see to that it is out. The needle must be out here, otherwise it won't change easily. Go to then A2 here, and then go and make a few. 5. Okay, lift up the needle. Make here A3. Change to A3. A3 here. Is at the end. You go then to A4. 4 is outside there. Change it to A4.